Hi, this is Hank. Today we're going to look at my Ford Transit 350 HD wagon. The issue we're going to discuss is how to replace this broken indicator light on the passenger side mirror. To make this easier to see, we'll fold the mirror back. That way we can get to it and you can all get a good view of what's going on. Now we're going to remove the mirror. All you have to do is stick your fingers in there as far as you can. Don't pull just on the edge, because that could be stressful and possibly break the mirror off. So stick in there as far as you can and put pressure. Pops right off. You can see this is just a little snap fit. Snaps over this ring. I've got wiring for my blind spot indicators, and it's a heated mirror, so I have wiring for the heat. We'll have to remove both mirrors to get to the bolts to hold the light on. So I've just stuck this one back up. Now this mirror, I'm going to just push down as far as I can so I can get my fingers in here and pop. Same deal, it just snaps right off, no issue. And this mirror I just stuck back on, stick my fingers in as far as I can. There we go. So there are two screws that hold the mirror on, here and here. It is a Torx bit T10, so we'll take those two screws out. Now the light just pops out. So with the screws removed, I can see I have a set of wires for the light bulb. I would just pull those off. That just slides right into the hole. No tools required, just pulls right out. I'm going to assemble the new light. I'll show a website where I purchased this. But there are two tabs here that align with the two places on the light socket. That just slides right in. There are tabs on the light that have to go up under, on the top and bottom, on the outer edge. So slide in and push in the back. Now we're ready to put the screws back in. Okay, just put the two screws back where they were. Be sure not to over tighten, especially if you're using a power tool. Be pretty easy to strip those out. Now we can remove the plastic film and we can put the mirrors back in place. So there are two tabs here that go between here and here. We're basically just going to align this circle to that circle. It should all pretty much. There we go. Now just even pressure. There we go. It's in. Do the same thing on the bottom. Just align that circle to that circle. Even pressure. It's in. Now we'll turn on the turn light and see if this works. Okay, as you can see, the light is blinking. That's another successful repair. Hi, this is Hank. Thanks again for watching my videos on things you need to know now that you're a homeowner, or a vehicle owner, or if you just want to save money. I look forward to putting out many more videos. Please like and subscribe.